Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ike Joshua. I'm going to be your instructor today, and the first focus for today will be to introduce us to the doing design using CANVA. First of all, there are a few things we would want us to know here. Before you can make a proper design, before you can do a design, you should also understand the fact that there are some tools that are made available for you. Those tools are simple tools that you can use, simple tools that you would want to use to crop a picture, to enlarge a picture, to remove background, and the rest of them. When you get to download all of these applications or tools in your phone, it helps you to move ahead with the design you want to do. So first of all, I'll introduce you to CANVA, which is the application we are going to be using for this design, and also I'll be introducing you to another application I refer to as picture editor and background remover. That's the background remover. You could see that there. Then, so I will have to open my Canva. But first of all, I would like to let you know that before you can open your Canva, the Canva is an application that works with internet, and if you do not turn on your internet, you cannot work with your Canva. The template, everything that you need to work to do your design is already made available, but you need to subscribe or put on your data connectivity before you can use. So already my data is on, so I'm going to turn on my Canva. Take a while to load, and while it's loading, now there are 2 or 3 tabs on your taskbar. You could see templates and design, the templates, design, and theme. Now if you come to explore Canva, you will see all categories: invitation, photo, collage, logo, business card. I've scrolled a little bit this way. You'll see card, flyer, resume, poster. You also see announcement, Instagram story. You also see Facebook cover, WhatsApp story. You see Twitter post. You see certificate, bookmark, and Instagram post. Now all of these things are features, templates you can actually see or use in your Canva. Now if you look up there where you see your search, you will notice that we've been told that we have over 60,000 plus of templates made available for our use on this. So what we're going to be doing now is to see how this could be useful for us. So if I scroll up a little bit, you see that I will want to start with Instagram posts. Now it is good for us to understand that some of these posts made on Instagram, some of these images displayed on Instagram are very different from Instagram story. The images are different because most of these images are rectangular in form, or rectangular in form, while these other ones are, I don't know what to say, but the shapes are different. This one is a square. Okay, your Instagram and your Facebook post are in square, but your Instagram story is more or less like a portrait. So we're going to be seeing Instagram post. So I will click on see all, and Instagram post is loading. Now we have it open. Now I would like to start with blank. Now for me, anybody can decide how he wants his design to look. When I started designing Canva, I started with blank. I wanted to come up with my own concept, fix things the way I want them. So I type on blank, it gives me a blank environment. Now in this blank environment, on the topmost of your design, you will notice four signs by your right. One is save as, the other is to share, one is redo, and the other is undo. Then downwards you see tap something to start editing. There is a plus by your right hand side. When I type on it, you will see text, image, graphic, template, and pages or page. So I'm going to do something simple. So when I tap on this, I want to change. When you tap on the white background, another tag comes up, which is gallery, image, and color. So because I wouldn't want to insert any image, I want to change the color. First of all, I want to use black. So I will use black, and I will say okay. So let me see how I can insert a logo. Now I have a logo already prepared, so I will simply go pick up the logo, and paste it somewhere. Let me use this as my logo and paste it somewhere here. Let's say this is my logo. This is my logo, and I take it somewhere here. So let's start the real design. So I want to add some text in the text. Now when you open your text, there are already designs made for you, or the kind of styles you want to use on your design. So I would like to use this dazzle. I'll put this there. Good. So I'm going to type on wake up call. Now you could see that you cannot visualize that, so you change it. Let's use green now. Wake up call. And what else do you want to write here? The youth should wake up to the reality of life. Okay, so I'm going to change that also to ash. Now this is what I want to do. I have to expand it. Now this is just a simple design. You did the quote, you choose your style, and now you have done this. All right, so let's come to see that we can actually, when you tap on these images, on this text, you can see that you can change the font style, you can change the size, and also the color, and you can change the spacing. You can also italize, make it bold, and change the paragraphing. So what we're gonna do here is, I don't feel like changing anything, but then I will make this bold, and I will make this line go a little bit this way, make this come a little bit this way. Then I say okay. Then good, already is centered. So I'm going to, I love the font style. Well, let me show you, there are so many other font style available, so you can choose any one of your choice. Then I'll go to wake up call. It's already bold, and it's all caps. So I'm going to reduce the, okay, I love it this way. I'm going to reduce the space, the height, the line height. I'll say all right. So I'm not done yet. I want to add a signature, for example. So I can decide to add another text. So I'm going to click on this and tap on the plus, say text, say add some text of your own. I tap on that and I have to bring this down and put a signature. Let's say Joshua Ikewano. So I do this. Okay. So I'm going to font size. I want to reduce this to the barest minimal. Come down here and I will say okay. And I say okay. Now, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. So when you're done, you can easily click on save. And you have a wonderful design saved to your own text, to your gallery. So this is our first design, and this is the introduction to using Canva. Thank you. God bless you. I still remain Joshua. Watch out for the part 2.